Hi, my name is Pete Vallinatos. I'm the President and Managing Director of e-Ink in Europe, based in the Netherlands. Welcome to our booth at InfoComm 2026. It's our first time at the show. We're going to highlight our e-Ink Marquee platform, which was a Best in Show winner for digital signage, so we're really excited about this. To my left, the Marquee platform is really based on full outdoor color, has a really wide, robust temperature range from -20 to 65, and the goal is that we can really go after the outdoor advertising and billboard. So here we have a 2-meter square column totem that we call it. You can basically make these columns and adjust them together to make a huge sign, say like 9 square meters, 10 square meters. So people that are doing outdoor signage with LED that uses a lot of power, you can use this instead. More traditional is our 55-inch marquee, which as you can see is a really nice kind of demo board or ride sharing or other things that you could do. It really fits into kind of the paper scheme of things. This can run off a battery for up to a year, depending on how many transitions you do. We think Marquee is a really beautiful way to do print advertising outdoor by being dynamic. Thanks for coming to the e-Ink booth at InfoComm 2026.